Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to send files using Line. Now let us begin. Well, right here I'm in the chat interface with my friend. Now let's say I want to send some files. At the bottom left, you can see the plus icon right here. Click on it. And that is it, guys. The very first option that you're gonna see is this thing called as Files. Click on it. Now this is it. From here, you can send videos, images, PDFs and everything. Simply select the file of your choice. Well, let's say this right here is a file that I wish to send. I'm simply gonna click on it. And that is it. It's gonna ask for your confirmation. Simply hit on OK. And that is it, guys. As you guys can see, the file has been sent. That is the gist of it, guys. That's how you send files using Line. The process is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.